welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name's Emma. I am a sophomore in college and most of my videos are kind of like lifestyle based, so if you're into that, be sure to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. Today's video is going to be a spring break clothing haul, and I can honestly say that I have not purchased so many clothing items in such a short span, and I don't even know how long. Like, I rarely buy clothes, but I guess this time I was just feeling a little spendy, I guess. I don't know. I purchased like so many things and I haven't done a clothing haul in like so long. I think back in the fall, like October or something, so it's long overdue. I have some super cute pieces that are like not my typical like plain everyday wear, and so yeah, I'm just like so excited to show you guys because I feel like I'm like kind of like fashionable with the things that I bought. So I am actually leaving tomorrow morning for Germany. We're just doing a little town in Germany for a couple of days. And then we're going to Naples, Florida, the Amalfi Coast, and then Rome. And so I am so excited, and I felt like I kind of like picked out items that were of like the Italy or Italian like color palette, if that makes sense. I went to Venice last year and it's very colorful there, but it's also like a lot of neutrals and pink tones. It's also like my favorite color, so like it works. But yeah, I'm just like so excited. Also, question of the video, where are you guys going for spring break? Or if you're not going anywhere, what are you guys doing while you stay home? I feel like spring break is such like a diverse like week because I feel like people do like a bunch of different stuff, so I would just love to hear what you guys are doing. You guys can just comment it down below. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with American Eagle because I only got a couple of things from there. The first thing is this purpley mauve top. It's a little bit cropped and it has like the scalloped, or I guess they call it like the lettuce edge now, on the bottom, and then the sleeves, and there's just like a little button-up neck, and it's really soft. It's so soft and comfortable, so this will just be like a nice top. I probably won't bring this on spring break, but just for like the summer, it's just a cute, comfortable, like lightweight top. And then I got this pair of shorts. This is the mom short in a size 6 high-rise. They fit me perfectly. I usually wear like a 4 to a 6, and I went with the 6 just based on like the measurements that they give you online. I love this color wash. I've never had like light wash, like kind of trendy jean shorts before. Like, I always got like the super tight ones from Hollister, and it was just a mistake because I never ended up wearing them because I just felt so like exposed in them. So these ones are like, I mean, they're like a little bit on the shorter side. Since they are so relaxed though, like it doesn't like look short and look like you're showing it all off, so I just think they're so cute. Again, lightweight, comfortable. I'm like so excited to wear those this summer because I've never had like a good pair of jean shorts. Next, pacsun. I only got a bathing suit from there. I got a matching top and a bottom, which I was super excited about, but I tried on the bottoms and like you guys can kind of tell like it's definitely not a full coverage bottom, and so it just kind of like slowly like goes inwards into my butt, and I don't really like that. I don't feel comfortable in that. I do love that they're high-waisted. I think I'm gonna return the bottoms, but I think I'm gonna keep the top because it's so cute and simple. It's just a simple bandeau. Again, I love the pattern, and I have no boobs, so there's like no padding or anything, but it just like fits me really well. And yeah, I love this color, and I think it'll still look cute with like a pair of black bottoms or even white bottoms or something like that. Alright, so next I have a couple of pieces from Sweet Life Boutique. They're based out in Washington, I believe. They actually sent me these items for free. I'm just gonna do like a little Instagram post with them, and I'm so excited though because I absolutely love these pieces. This is just like a simple white t-shirt, but on the front it says "It's better on the beach," which is so true. The beach is like my happy spot. And then on the back there's just like a picture of a beach and a sunrise, and just it's so cute and like it's so me. Okay, these pants, also from Sweet Life Boutique, are unlike anything I have ever purchased for myself before. They're just not something that I would really wear, but I saw them and I was like, okay, I really want to try those. So they're basically just like this big pant. I don't even know like what kind of pant this is. It's a rose color though, which I love. It's so pretty. They're like super high-waisted, which I like. They flatter your butt really well, and then the legs are pretty wide, which I like too because it's a little bit more like relaxed and fun. They're so cute. I tried them on for the first time today when I was filming like the try-on portion of this video, and they're just so cute. So next I have a couple things from Target. I don't know why, but Target is like always my default store. like I can always go back there and find something that I like. So most of the things that I got are kind of basics, but I just wanted a few basics for the trip. These are unrelated, but these are on clearance, so I thought that I'd show them. They were like $6 each. So again, it's super cute, like dusty rose mauve color. And it's just like a crossbody, but then there's like a little handle too. And it's just, I mean, it's a pretty small little purse, but I thought that it was so cute, and for the price, I was like, okay, this will work. Because I also got black, and like I don't have just like a simple black purse, so I'm so excited to use those. I also got this jean jacket. I have never owned a jean jacket before, so I was very excited to finally find one that fit me, because I'm 5'9" and I have very long arms, so like a lot of this stuff is too short on me, or like too tight in like the underarm area. This one fits me perfectly. I got a size small, which kind of surprised me. But yeah, it's just this light wash denim jacket, super soft material. Like, I don't know if it's real denim, definitely looks like it, but like it's definitely softer. There are pockets. It's just like so super cute, and I'm so excited just to like throw this on if I get cold over there. Just so that, like, I usually just throw on sweatshirts, so I'll be like a little bit more stylish on this trip. And then I just got this basic long sleeve shirt. It's very wrinkled. I've worn it the past 2 days. Again, it's like the same color, but yeah, it's just honestly, it's just like a basic long sleeve t-shirt. I also got this white shirt. This is a little bit more of a cropped shirt, which I'm not a huge cropped person, but it's not like too cropped. And I also really love the neck. It's like a square neck, and it's just so flattering. Okay, so next I have 3 dresses from Vichy Dolls. I bought these a while back, I think back in January, I think. So I don't think they're available anymore, especially since I got them on clearance. They were like $10 each. So I just thought that I would include them though quickly, because I think that they're so cute. So this first one is just like a black pom-pom off the shoulder dress. And I love black, especially in the summer, because like I'm all tan and it just like looks really nice. So yeah, I also, again, I love the off the shoulder idea, and then there's some pom-poms and like some lace at the bottom, and it's just super cute. And then I got this one. This is like a little bit more of like a dress, or what's it called, like a dress shirt. That did not make sense. I just loved the colors of it. You know, it's like just warm tones, and then yeah, there's a collar, a button up, and yeah, there's also pockets in it, which is awesome. And I just liked that. And then I got this jean one. This was the last dress that I got from Vichy Dolls, and it's just a kind of camisole style, and then it buttons up the front. And I just thought it was cute. Again, I don't own anything like this, and just with like that mauve long sleeve t-shirt under it, or the white one, or even just like a short sleeve in the summer, I thought that it would be cute. And then from TJ Maxx, I just got one thing. I also got this back in December, but like obviously like TJ Maxx stuff you can't really like find ever again, but I just thought it was so cute. So it's just like this midi camisole dress. It has a really cute neckline, and then there's actually like a little bow here that you can tie, and it shows like a smidge of skin, and I just thought that it was super cute. And then I got 2 things from Princess Polly. These pants I actually saw in Michelle Reed's spring break clothing haul, and I was like, oh my gosh, those are so cute. So I bought a pair. I got a size 6 in these, and they're just like a khaki pant. Again, don't own anything like this before, but I just tried them on, and they are so cute. They're definitely like prone to wrinkling, but I thought that they were just so cute, and I love this color. Lightweight and breezy and nice. And then I got this kind of cropped white sweater to go with that, as well as like jeans or those pink pants, or even like jean shorts. So it's just kind of a higher neck white top, a little bit cropped. This material is so soft and comfortable, and I think that's going to be just like a nice, like in case it gets like cool, just to throw it on. This next one I purchased from Urban Outfitters. It is a fanny pack, which my dad is so into fanny packs, and I just like never really owned one before, because I felt like all of them were kind of like ugly, but this one I thought was pretty cute. It's just like a cream kind of canvasy color. There's 2 zippers for pockets, so this will be perfect for my trip, for like my vlog camera, a chapstick, my phone, and like my money and credit card. And then obviously it snaps in the back. I know a lot of people say though to like put it under your clothes or something like that so that people can't like steal it or like unclip it and run away with it. But I just thought it was cute, and I'm also going to be living in Europe this summer, so this will be nice because like I don't like carrying purses, so I can just strap it on and have my essentials in here. And then the last item of this haul is a pair of tevas. I have never owned tevas before. My mom's had a couple pairs and I've worn them, and I really like them. I wanted a comfortable sandal for spring break as well as the summer, so I got this, I think it's called the Universal Platform, Mid-Form Universal. I was close. So it's just all black. I like the higher platform. It's kind of like a foamy sole, and then there's just some simple straps, just like a very simple basic shoe, but I think they're just going to be really nice and they're going to work out well for me. So that's all that I bought for my spring break / summer. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and also make sure you guys let me know where you guys are going or what you guys are doing for spring break. And yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!